Welcome friends, today we're going to be hardness testing Spyderco's Endura 4 and ZDP-189. First I'll disassemble to get a nice flat spot for testing. Then it's on to the hardness tester, which is awesome. I then run a bunch of highly scientific hardness tests. And I got one hardness number. 65. And there you have it friends, Spyderco Endura 4 and ZDP-189 at 65 HRC. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. But wait, there's more. So just out of curiosity, I took a reading there and it was 65 right on the spine, even though technically this is a curved surface and it's not going to give exact results. I'm going to take another one on camera just to see what we get. It's 66. 65 and a half. And here's the final result for Spyderco Endura 4 and ZDP-189 at 65 to 66 HRC. But still not yet, we're not done yet, because now on to the super exciting part of putting this knife back together, which was not fun. Come on! Ah! Got it. Whew. It's always a challenge. I'm sure there's a trick to doing that, but I don't know what it is. And that's it, people. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.